am Kalpana Kamath here in Shefali's house at Chembur, and I am taking Sabina's cake class 2021. So we are doing chocolate chip cake class. Yeah, this is all the material which we have sieved everything. And मेरा आ रहा है voice? हाँ, this is all the material which is get ready. Now here we go. Now Sabina is just putting the butter in the glass bowl, and then we are going to churn it, and then we are going to do the cake. जोर लगा के ऐसा. Yeah, because the butter is still hard, so it is giving little problem. So we have to wait. Yes. So here we go. And this is the eggless cake class. Eggless cake class. Yeah, done. Turning the butter and the sugar till it is smooth and fluffy, at least for 10-15 minutes, my dear. Till it fluffy, it becomes very fluffy, you know. It has to be.
Let us wait for the butter.
Wait for some time, no? Let it become melt. अभी बंद कर. We are adding vanilla essence in the chocolate chip cake. That is half a teaspoon. Yep. You know. मेरा फोटो and this is known as whisking of the creaming and whisking both. Powdered sugar and butter. We are creaming it together, and this is eggless cake and vanilla essence. Hi friends. These are cut fries. I've been uploading it on the YouTube, so like and subscribe. See now, it's almost getting ready. But whenever we do it, light and fluffy, the cake will become full and fluffy. We are turn the butter and this till cream it till light and fluffy. Then the cake becomes a spongy cake. We have to have lot of patience when doing the cake or the whatever it is. In whatever field, like painting, whatever we are teaching, everybody has to have a lot of patience. Make it little more. Make it for another 5 minutes. My dear. Now it has become almost, but still we want to whisk it again. More creamier. How much ever you make more creamier and fluffier, the cake will become like spongy. That way. Yeah, the churning is done. See, it is like this now. It has to be like this. Yeah. This is the butter and the sugar and vanilla essence. And now we are adding the remaining ingredients, that is the cocoa powder, sugar or maida, and baking powder and soda bicarb. All the ingredients we are adding it in the later part. And this is an eggless cake. When we are putting it in the dish, no, in the container, that time we put the chocolate chips. Understood? If you want, you can put little bit now. We added the milk in it. Now we are making the batter little smooth. Milk.
इसमें थोड़ा दूध और लगेगा.
हाँ, put as and when, like when you know that the consistency has to come, so you have to keep adding the milk. We are doing a lot of consistency for the cake batter. Enough milk. Don't I use more milk?
पी लेंगे.
Little. बस.
क्यों? कौन बनाएगा? मम्मी.
क्या?
आप बनाओ.
What?
डालो क्या थोड़ा दूध? Overbeating खराब करता है केक को. Overbeating and overturning spoils the cake. Have you heard it? ऐसा है क्या?
I know that.
होता है ऐसे?
ओवर कुकिंग करेगा तो.
अच्छा.
ओवर कुकिंग.
तो ये ठीक है ना consistency?
Yes. See, this is the consistency. It
Dipping
has to be
consistency.
like this. See,
See how
it has to
it's
drop.
हाँ.
So this is done now.
Yeah,
Now we put it in the dish container.
done.
We are putting butter paper instead of greasing it.
I already greased it.
Acha, we have greased it, and plus Sabina, say loudly. Sabina.
I have already greased it.
Yes. Father Lord God, let this cake color well.
Are you check this?
Yeah, I am taking the taste of the batter which we made just now. Perfect. Now the batter is ready to bake. These are the choco chips. Wait, let me throw in my hand. These are the choco chips which I am using for the cake. Yeah. बदमाश है सबीना बदमाश है ना हम लोग
हाँ.
हाँ?
बिंदास खाओ. चोको चिप्स खाने में क्या?
खाने में ही जाने का है रे, खाने का ही है.
हो गया? बस हो गया.
Bring it to a level and we are decorating it with the chocolate chips, right?
डाल. थोड़े और ले आने.
ये चॉकलेट खाने में मैं बदमाश हूँ.
बस हो गया. छी. बस हो गया.
एक फोटो निकाले.